So I'm going to show you a way to set up your favorite song or any song as a ringtone on your iPhone. Let's get started. So we're going to do this in two parts. The first part is to download the ringtone you want to set. So to download any ringtone, just open Safari. Now here, in the search bar, just search for the ringtone you wanted to download. Here you can see the Google search results of the song we searched for. So I'm going to open this result and click download. Now if we tap here, now here you can see that we've successfully downloaded the song. Similarly, you can download any ringtone of your choice from the web. So we've successfully completed our first part, which is to download the ringtone. So next let's go to the final part, which is to set up the song as our ringtone. So to set up the song as ringtone, we need to install an app called GarageBand. So to download this app, let's open the App Store. Now go to the search tab here. Search for GarageBand. This app will help you to set up any song as your ringtone. So let's install this app. Now to open the app, click Open. Now here, click Continue and click Continue again. Now swipe right until you get Audio Recorder. Now this tab will help you to set up ringtones. Now let's import the song which we downloaded in the previous part. So let's click on this icon and you will get this window. Now tap here. You will get this pop-up. And to get the ringtone which we downloaded, open Files tab. Now if we click Browse, you can see the ringtone file which we downloaded in the previous part. So tap on the audio file. We can see that the song is added to our File tab. Now let's drag and keep it at the leftmost part here. Now let's say you want to trim a part of the song. You can do that easily by moving it like this. So I'm going to keep the song as it is. Now if we tap here, it will go back to the My Song section. And here you can see the file which we created. Now to make this song as a ringtone, long press on the file and click Share. Here you can see that we have three options. Now choose Set as Ringtone option. Here we can give the name for our ringtone. I am going to name it as Faded. Now click Export. After exporting, you will get a pop-up like this. Here, choose Use Sound As. Now here, you will get options like these. And to set up as ringtone, choose this option. So now we have successfully set up the song which we downloaded as our ringtone. So to verify that, let's go to the settings. And if you click Sounds and Haptics, here you can see that we have successfully set up the ringtone. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.